Hi, today we are going to make or bake a Bibingka Pinoy favorite. Okay, so let's start. Bibingka Pinoy favorite. There you go. This is what will be I am making. These are the ingredients: 250 ml Bibingka rice cake mix, 1 cup water, but instead of water I make 1 cup milk, 1/2 cup sugar, 4 tablespoons butter fresh margarine, and 3 medium-sized eggs. So here is my mixture. I already put the egg in there and the 1 cup milk, the butter, and the 1/2 cup sugar. And I will finish the 250 ml Bibingka mix. There, then mix all together. To make a batter. So for the flour, they use a rice flour. Let's mix it all together. Okay. And this is my mold. It's already ready. I make 8 molds. And I preheat the oven over there, 350. It says here we need to bake for 5 minutes, cover with foil, and bake for another 8 minutes until done. So 8 plus 5 is 13 minutes. Okay. So back here, you need to put the butter into the molds, to the molding cup. Okay. I think we're gonna use this. It's easy. See. Like that. Okay, like this. And set aside here, ready to put in the oven. Maybe we have extra. Okay, and then we have extra. I have 8 in there, and then we have extra. Maybe put the extra. Put the extra in here. Right. Put some oil. Okay, and then pour the extra. 8 cup bibingka and then extra. Okay. Let's put it in the oven. Over there in the oven. Bake it for bake timer 13 minutes. Start for 350 degrees. Okay, let's wait after 13 minutes. So 15 minutes, 13 minutes is done. This is our bibingka now. Yeah, it's almost done. Now I want to put cheese on top. So we need to take out, put the cheese on top of it. Okay. I have the cheese here. Let's put one each. There. One cheese each. And for the extra, I have extra cheese too. There. Okay. We'll put this again into the oven to melt the cheese. Just to melt the cheese. Maybe 5 minutes or 3 minutes to melt the cheese. After 5 minutes of broil, after I put the cheese on top, I adjust the heat into broil to make the bibingka looks brown on top. See, so perfect. The cheese is melted and it looks brown, and then it will sit there for another 5 minutes and then ready to eat. Okay, this is the finished product bibingka. It looks like in the picture. I didn't put the salted egg, but I put cheese on top. Okay, look, it looks like in the picture. And I don't have grated. I don't have a grated coconut that they put on top, but it's good. It looks good. See? There you go. Bibingka for you. Bibingka. Ang sarap talaga. Sarap. Perfect. Very perfect. Very soft and yummy.